Hey guys, welcome to Wixit Fix It videos. I didn't explain that video that's coming up here in a second really well. But anyway, these are 12 volt LED lights, the replacement lights. And that's what you're going to see me doing in a minute. The 55-gallon fish aquarium, the lids on those things are like split lids, and they're like $80 each side, and they're really expensive to replace just for the lights. That's why I made this video, because these things are like 12 bucks. I mean, with tax they're $12, 10 something. Then anyway, and you can replace them. And see, these are the same thing, but these are a cheaper version, and these are even waterproof. So I just want to explain to you, the old one came with a 12 volt power supply and a switch which you can integrate, you'll see, but I just want to explain that to you. It's a 12 volt system, and they're really easy to change. And like I said, those tops, those split tops, are really expensive, so you can fix them for less than $12. Anyway, you'll see the video. Thanks. Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a video. I've just been really busy. I haven't had time to do much, but this here is the top of a 55-gallon fish aquarium, and you can tell you can see the LEDs are just shot. This was I think it was a saltwater system. We bought it used. Anyway, it comes with two pieces, as you can see. Here's the other one. This one hadn't been cleaned up yet. I just wanted you to see what it looked like. Anyway, I'm gonna change these lights, because if anybody that's fooled with fish tanks or stuff, you know how expensive things can get to replace. It's easier just to fix them if you can. But anyway, all these lights are bad, and I bought these as replacements, which are almost the same thing but updated lights. They're waterproof. Anyway, this one here I cleaned up. That one was, I don't know, salt. I ain't never bothered with saltwater tanks, but apparently they get pretty messy. I tried to clean this one up, but I'm gonna have to still do some scrubbing on it. These LED lights, you can get them pretty cheap. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this is eBay, and they were 10 bucks for 20 of them. I think that's what that was. Yeah, 20 of these, and they come in a chain just like the old ones. You just unsnap them. I think I showed you this one. You just take a screwdriver and pop them off, cut the wire, as it comes with a 12 volt power supply and switch. You just cut on this side here where you can reconnect the new one. Make sure you keep your hot and ground, which it tells you right here which is your hot and ground. And on your old one it does too. Just pay attention to which one's which. That way you'll know when you put it back on. But yeah, I'm just gonna put these back in there like this and glue them in. That's about all you can do, but it should be good. These, like I said, are waterproof. I think this is double-sided tape, which I don't know. I hope it's good. It appears to be really good tape. I got some on my finger a while ago and it wouldn't come off. I'm just going to place them. They don't fit in these little things as good as the old ones, but just going to put them right next to them. These wires are a little shorter, which will still work just fine. I'll probably put a little hot glue around each edge to make sure it stays. I've scrubbed the crap out of that. That's all I could get off of it. Yeah, but anyway, that's pretty much all there is to it. Let's see. And the strippers, we're gonna see if these things work. Oh yeah, I got, y'all probably seen me use these before on stuff I've done, but they're you just slide them over the wire and they got solder inside, and when they're heat strips, when you heat them, they'll seal a wire and pretty much make it waterproof and solder at the same time. They come in handy in some cases. Just slide them down over there first. Fix your wires. When it's done, you just slide them over. Stop right over where that solder is. Stop right over your wire. That way when you heat it, that solder will go into the wire and hold it together and waterproof it. I'm gonna do that. So yeah, that was my fault. But yeah, these things are really bright. Oh my lord. But I mean, that's all you got to do to fix your tank lights. Even if you got one that just needs, or you need something that just needs an upgrade light. And these things here, like I said, make sure you got them over the wire and heat them. They'll fill it right up. And we'll take that other end and snip them and put some of these over them to seal them. Hopefully it's hot enough to melt them. This is just a craft gun. It seems to be. And you're going to make sure no water gets in them. Yeah, they're working. Show you. Let's see what melted down in there. Make sure you get your ends good. A little shrink up around that. Well, I guess that's all there is to it. And these I'm just gonna cut off. Yeah, I'll just roll them up. Like I said, you can use these on them. Those little kits like that, I think, I don't know, 10 or 15 bucks, I don't remember, but they're worth buying. You get them a little warm, just smash the edges right there and it'll seal up. like that. And they seal right up. And then, let's see, where's that switch? These things are bright, but it works. If anybody's just needing to upgrade your tank lights, or if you just need tank lights around your tank somewhere else, you can get these in colors too. Yeah, that was, I think, like $12 total. I mean, they're really affordable. Now that thing's got new lights like she wanted, instead of buying new tops with lights. Anyway, guys, I know I hadn't been on in a while, but I've got a few interesting videos coming up, and I'm gonna get started back like I used to be. Try to make a video every week at least, and make them better than they've been. And I might make some inductions. I've been messing with some other things like this. I know y'all seen similar things like this. I'm still wondering if they actually work. I hadn't had time to test it, but anyway, thanks guys. I hadn't left you, I just been really busy, but please like and subscribe.